Hi, I'm Dennis, and welcome to my shop. For this holiday season, we've created the Christmas Icon Project Pack. What this pack includes is 5 Christmas icon designs, cut out of 1/2-inch MDF, and they're all about 11 inches tall. The purpose of this project pack is to allow families and kids and individuals just to get creative with a basic design and then take your creativity and paint and decorate each item to fit your style. To get yours today, just go to trail47.com/pop-up, and that'll send you to a link to our pop-up store that we have for this holiday season. In the pack includes a Christmas tree, stocking, snowman, reindeer, and an angel. And as we social distance this holiday season, pick up one of these Christmas icon design packs today. Take each design and make it your own. Go to trail47.com/pop-up.